You can't go to the moon without heating and refrigeration. So it is a very vital part. So we'll get into all that out in the shop. Okay, we're out here in the shop now, and we're going to take a look at the furnace that one of these three type of furnaces you will have in your house. And the first one we're going to look at is this one here. It is a Train, but the brand name really doesn't matter. This furnace is what we call a natural draft furnace. It was this is probably in the range of about 25 to 30 years old. It was a efficiency furnace in its day, and it draws air from the house in through this opening and creates a draft up the flue and out, and that's where it gets its name, natural draft. In its day, it would be rated about 50 to 60% efficiency, meaning that about 50 to 60% of the gas consumed was converted to heat for the house. And that is the natural draft furnace. From this point, we migrated to what they call the induced draft furnace. Now, this induced draft furnace in the efficiency rating is about 80%, meaning that 80% of the gas consumed is converted to heat, and you're losing 20% up the flue. Basically, the furnaces work the same. They just have added more efficient components and safety devices to get to the point to where the furnace achieves that efficiency. After the 80% efficiency furnace, we move into the 90% efficiency furnace. This again means